Hazrat Buraidah radiyallahu anhu states that a man asked Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about the prayer timing. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "Perform prayer along with us for 2 days and watch it yourself." When the sun passed the meridian, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded Hazrat Bilal to proclaim the prayer call. After the prayer call, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam issued orders to proclaim the congregation call for Zuhr. Thereafter, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded him to proclaim the Asr congregation call when the sun was still high and white and clean. After the sunset, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded him to proclaim the Maghrib congregation call. And when the twilight vanished, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded to proclaim the Isha congregation call. And then the Isha congregation call was proclaimed when the dawn broke. Next day, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded to perform the Zuhr prayer when it is cool. So the Zuhr was performed when it was cool, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed the Asr prayer, delaying it from the time it was observed the previous day when the sun was high, performed the Maghrib prayer before the disappearance of twilight, and performed the Isha prayer after the passage of a third of the night, and performed the Fajr prayer when the whiteness had spread. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "Where is the man who was asking the prayer timings?" He replied, "I am present, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The time of your prayer is in between the time limits you have watched." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1390.